What is up, everyone? I am here. I am at Mike's house, which is my next customer here, with the C7. So I'm actually really excited to be able to bring the C7 to you because our YouTube channel is generally filled with nothing but C8s. Some clips of different things here and there. I know there was a C7 that kind of made an appearance in one of the videos during the training process with Brandon, but it wasn't the focus point. So I'm really excited about being able to say officially, hey, we have a C7 installation video. So let's go in here and get started. It's raining, as you can see. I'm getting wet, so let's go ahead and get in cover. Whew. Mike?
Hey, yes.
Hey, Mike. Tim from Eikon.
Hey, how you doing, Tim?
Good. Nice to finally meet you.
Yes.
So this is the beast.
This is the beast.
Awesome. What year?
It's 2017 C7.
Nice. I love that color.
Thank you. Thank you.
I love the
Going
color.
for the blacked out look.
Huh?
Going for the blacked out
Oh,
look.
I think you nailed it on the head for sure. For sure. What all, have you done anything to it?
Well, it is a C7. It's the base model, the Stingray. I've added the splitter, the skirts, tinted the windows, blacked out the letters, added the spoiler, and I also added an Army Tricks exhaust system.
Oh wow. I don't think we've heard, can we hear it?
Yeah, sure.
Like start it up for us?
Yeah,
Awesome.
sure.
So this is the first, you never don't really start cars up, but why not?
All right, here we go.
That does sound good.
Thank you.
Sounds really good.
Thank you.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this one with you guys, and hope you enjoy the process. I mean, obviously you guys have seen the C8s. You've seen me install many of those. Process is relatively the same. Jesus. The process is relatively the same, minus a few different steps. But I just recently learned a couple different steps with the C8. So some of the videos that you'll see, or that you may have seen, or pictures, are now the front bumpers left on. Unfortunately, there's no way to do that with the C7. The front bumper has to still come off. The headlights have to come out, which obviously the headlights don't come out on the C8s, but it's gonna be fun. So let's get to it. back. I don't want to get hit by a door. Oh, it swings the other way anyways. We're done.
Oh man, that
What do you think?
is awesome.
You like it?
That is awesome. I love it. That is cool.
I told you I've done one before. Or no, I said this is my first one. This is my first C7.
Nice,
My
nice.
first C7 ever done.
Very nice. Wow. That is cool. This is what I've been looking for.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad that we could give it to you. I'm glad that I
That's,
was able to
thank
give it
you.
to you. No, thank you.
very much.
Thank you.
Wow.
It
That
is
is
my
cool.
pleasure. So you're basically gonna get in however it's comfortable for you.
Okay.
Okay. And then you're gonna have a natural urge to, your arm's gonna pull in. Just fight that. Just go straight down until the door stops. And then just pull it in, close like a normal car.
Wow. That's simple. That is easy.
Pretty easy.
Yeah. Smooth. Very smooth.
Yeah, and it'll get easier over time because that shock's gonna break in. So
Okay.
it'll get easier to pull down. About 30 to 40% resistance will go away. So it'll kind of more streamlined.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty darn easy.
And then just lift up.
Wow. Pretty easy. That was easy to get in as well.
Was it?
Very easy. Oh, I like that.
Getting out a little bit easier
A
too?
lot of leg room to get out too. Yes.
Yeah.
That's cool. I like it. I like it.
Well, it was a pleasure for sure.
Thank you.
It was my honor.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, not a problem. Thank you.
Oh.
Good luck getting some sleep tonight. With the
Yeah. No, that's just cool. This is cool.
Awesome.
I might just sleep in the car tonight. This is too cool. Yeah, that's simple. Ooh, that's nice too. Lines up good. Look at that. That is cool.
We try. I try.
That is
It's just Photoshop. It's not really aligned right. It's actually pretty messed up, but no, I'm just joking.
yeah. No, that's clean. Look at that. That is clean. Thank you. I appreciate it.
No, not a problem.
Amazing. Amazing.
Like I said, my pleasure.
Amazing.